Work has started now at our new after sales facility. So this is our customer waiting room, which is really cool if you like automotive things. Not if you don't, probably. So what have we got on today? Quite an interesting day. We've got the Seat B30 that's an easy one. This is a service, and let me just check. Definitely brake disc. So servicing brake disc. The Audi TT we are just waiting to build back up. It's had a new pesky timing chain. One of the drawbacks of the timing chain engine is that they do sometimes stretch and need replacing, which is quite annoying and much more difficult to do than a timing belt. The Mustang is in for a new steering rack, which is about done, I think. Sean over there is cleaning the classic 5 Series BMW with a V8 engine and a manual gearbox. It's quite special. We've got this Hyundai in for the handbrake at the rear is locked on. It's been released now by the AA, so we've got a new module to fit. And we've got a Range Rover which has got a problem with the inlet manifold, which we're just waiting for the parts to come. So never a dull day. We've got some interesting jobs in, as well as a little bit of storage there. Plenty for the guys to be getting on with. We've got more cars stacked up waiting to come in outside. The pickup needs a new sump pan, the L200, which is on order. We've got the Mercedes X-Class, which is in for a problem with the switches inside the cabin, and the rest of the vehicles are all stock. And then Henry is on with valeting the little Nissan ENV electric van. So yeah, come and pay us a visit. We don't just do repair jobs, although it looks like that way. We do a great deal of servicing and routine work as well. So just give us a shout. We've also got packages now for including sort of valeting as well. If somebody wants to put the car in for a service and a valet, we can do that at the same time. So just give us a shout. We've not got the signage up yet, but it is coming.